Hey guys, Peter here from the Magic Touch. Today we're going to talk about the DTF Magic Printer Pro. In the DTF industry, it's really tough to tell the good from the bad. Today we have the well-designed DTF Magic Printer Pro. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to talk this video for minutes and minutes, but we're going to do a little bit of an interview with probably someone you know, Rolf and Ray, our support specialist.
Hi guys!
So as I said, we're gonna do a little bit of an interview. Can you tell us a little bit about the building quality of the DTF Magic Printer Pro?
Well, if you have a closer look to this beautiful printer, you can see it's well designed, well built, high quality print parts, all built really well together. Good design. If you look here, all little lids so you can access everything very easily, which is very nice with your maintenance. So I'm well pleased with the quality of this little printer.
Okay, Will. So, this well-designed DTF Magic Printer Pro has top-notch parts, let's say, right?
Yeah.
Let's talk about the next one, which is the DTF inks. Is it eco-certified? Is it maybe low sentiment, high sentiment, whatever sentiment?
It's, of course, Eco-Tech certified. What we're using here, and it's a little secret, don't tell anybody, we are using the low settlement inks. That means that the white pigments of the ink don't settle down. That means it doesn't go down in the tank or in your bottle. The white pigments keep on floating around, which is of course good for your printer because then it doesn't clog up your print system. But to avoid, still we need to have steering in your ink tank, white ink tank. So in your white ink tank there's a steering mechanism which steers your white ink, so even if the white pigments don't go down so quick, it keeps on circulate the ink. Also, when it comes out of the ink tank, it comes into your white circulation system, so your white ink keeps on circling in your printer.
Okay, that's great. So what you're basically saying is like no downtime?
No.
And no clogged print heads. Let's talk about the print head, by the way. Did you do your homework, and what kind of print head is it?
We are using a Epson, well-known Epson F1080 print head. It's been around for quite some time. It's well designed, 6-channel print head. It's been used widely spread in the industry. Also means that it's easy to get when you have to replace your print head.
Okay, and what about the software? Because that can be a little bit of a,
We are using DTF Magic software powered by CatLink, which is also a very well-known brand in the industry. It's basically easy to use. Open up your design. It opens up. You have different cues here where you can print on different designs. For white, if you only want to print white, if you want to knock out the black, if you print on a white shirt, so you have different cues for your different garments. Of course, the ICC profile is specially designed for this little printer. So if we're gonna send the job to the printer, we're just gonna say print, there you go. It calculates the file and it sends it to the printer.
Okay, that's great. And what is the LED light?
The LED lights, you will see, it makes it much easier to see what you're printing. So the LED is an extra feature what other printers don't have. It only shows on the bigger printers. Also, what you see here on this display, there is a drying unit in front of the printer. This part is the complete drying unit of the printer, which dries your ink. If you look at the other side of the printer, if you open this part, you will see it's very easy to do your maintenance, your daily cleaning on the printer. You can see what you're doing with the mirror underneath, so it's very easy to access when you have to clean your head.
Bro, another question. I mean, it looks like it prints really, really fast. Is that the case? What is the printing speed?
The printing speed is around 4 minutes for A4 and 8 minutes for A3.
That is quick,
It is
right?
quick enough.
Especially small businesses, small footprints.
Of
That
course.
that is ideal.
When it comes out of the printer, you have to powder it, you have to press it, so you need to do the time. So if you have the time when you have the design on your shirt, your next one is finished.
Wow. So again, top-notch parts. Really easy DTF Magic software powered by Catlink. Of course, we have the DTF films. We have two different versions. We have sheets and we have rolls.
So A3 films, or optional your roll, which is in the back of your printer, 30 centimeter rolls with the extra add-on that you can cut your film when it's finished.
Wow, I mean, it sounds really great. And this will be the moment where we are going to introduce the DTF Magic Printer Pro. There has been and still is a huge demand of these printers, so please be quick and order your DTF Magic Printer Pro now. If you have any other questions, just let us know, and yeah, please let us know if you want to pre-order the printer. Thank you.